How to look sexy every day. There are a lot of things that make someone look sexy and attractive. And it's not all about the outer appearance. Some of the sexiest people on earth aren't really the prettiest, but they're still sexy. And you can figure out how to look sexy by just following these 10 steps and walk into a new and improved sexy life. 1. Groom yourself. If you've got a sexy body and have started to dress well, you're probably noticing a lot of second glances already. But the devil is in the details. Don't just stop with clothes and a good physique. It's a start, but it's not good enough. Groom yourself. Get a flattering hairstyle, a few classy perfumes that smell great on you, and all the other works. Sexiness comes from the inside, and if you feel sexy, you'll look sexy. It may sound patronizing, but it's completely true. 2. Buy sexy underwear. There's nothing that can make you feel sexier than sexy underwear, be it laces or silk. You don't have to reveal it for all the world to see, but just knowing that you're wearing something so sexy and beautiful inside your regular attire can make you feel good about yourself. 3. Dress well. Most people think they know how to dress well, but frankly, they really don't. Do your friends always look at you in awe or compliment you for your great taste in clothes? No. Then you're obviously not the best dressed person in your group of friends. So you definitely need help. Read a few fashion magazines and pick up a few pointers on what would look the best on you. And use it well. You really don't have to spend $1 million to look like it. So spend wisely, look great, and learn how to look sexy. 4. A perfect physique. True, this is physical and more of a shallow attribute. But it helps a lot when it comes to knowing how to look sexy. A great body involuntarily attracts attention and impresses the opposite sex. So hit the gym or pick up one of those fab workouts from Beachbody. Getting a well-shaped body is one of the first steps in trying to look sexy. It'll make you look good and feel really sexy. Clothes will look a lot better on you than it does on other people, and you'll get a huge boost in confidence. This is definitely one of the first things to do if you want to look sexy. 5. Pamper yourself. Ever felt like buying that pedicure kit or that awesome massage chair? Go ahead and pick it up. Sexy people love themselves and pamper themselves all the time. Come on, you're so sexy, you deserve the best of stuff. If you don't believe you deserve a good splurge now and then, either on your cosmetics or on your accessories, then you're not really feeling sexy about yourself. Love yourself and always look like you just stepped out of a beauty salon. 6. Feel like a sex god. To understand how to look sexy, you need to feel sexy and truly understand what sex appeal is all about. Don't be prudish, instead dive into a few sex books and familiarize yourself with the good positions and the art of seduction. To feel sexy on the inside, you need to feel confident about your sexual prowess. When you know you're good in bed, you can't help but feel confident about it. You may be happy with the missionary bang bang, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't know what could turn on the opposite sex better and what positions could be more exciting. Understand sex and what's sexy, and you'll really know how to look sexy, without even trying, of course. 7. Love your life. If you want to know how to look sexy without even trying, learn to love yourself and your life. Be happy and have fun every day. Being fun and alive is sexy. Have you ever seen gloomy people who are always pessimistic or negative in life? They're not very good company and they don't attract any sexy attention even if they're rather good looking. Be the life of the party, laugh and be cheerful and look at the bright side in everything. Happy people always look attractive and they make everything around them come alive like a burst of fresh air. Be that happy, attractive person and you'll have potential mates lining up for your affection. 8. Respect yourself and be respected. If you don't respect yourself, you can't be confident. And if you aren't confident, you'll never really know how to look sexy, at least to the best of your potential. Learn to respect yourself and consider yourself worthy of being respected by others, be it your friends or your own partner. Don't let your friends take you for granted or throw you around like you're not important. When you're around people who love you and respect you, your own self-worth will grow and you'll learn to be more confident. And always remember this, respecting yourself is not a sign of being egoistic. It shows that you know your own worth. 9. Learn to flirt. Knowing how to flirt can open a doorway of good times with the opposite sex. And if you club that art with figuring out how to look sexy, you've got a potent mix that would be irresistible to anyone. When you look sexy, you can also come across as being intimidating and make the opposite sex nervous. But by being cheerful and happy, you'd also portray a warm and welcoming persona about yourself. You don't really need to flirt outrageously or try to let someone know you're interested in them. At times, all it takes is your happy personality, your flirty expressions and a perfect balance of blushes and teases. 10. Work your expressions and body language. There's nothing cuter and sexier than a hottie who knows how to be expressive in a confident and sexy manner, knowing how to behave around men and acting as a lady. Change your life using these 10 simple steps on how to look sexy, and it would definitely bring you a lot of second glances and make a lot of hearts skip a beat.